Even at what, like 10:15, almost 10:30 now, temps are still in the 70s for pretty much all of us. 72 right now at the Savannah airport, upper 60s on the coastline. Notice mid 70s, 75 degrees in Claxton, cloud cover building in, and also a southerly flow is contributing to that. Now, ahead of that, we're building a little bit of instability for some severe weather tomorrow morning. A level 2 out of 5 risk has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center. The big concern that I'm worried about is in the severe weather, damaging winds are possible and maybe even some isolated hail, a very low tornado risk. But again, it's not zero. So you want to make sure you're taking those proper steps to stay safe. One of those ways you could do is download our app. We have updates for you regarding severe weather when it happens tomorrow. Temps tonight, they'll stay in the 70s for a lot of us. That is because of the southerly flow. And also, you may feel a little bit of humidity out there before the storms and front move through. So here's our level 2 out of 5 risk. Again, this is for the early hours tomorrow morning between around 6 a.m. and at the latest noon in the coastal empire and low country. Tornado watches stretching from parts of Alabama all the way up into southeastern Ohio. We had multiple tornado warnings stretching across the country. For us, we just have some cloud cover moving into the low country right now. Hourly forecast out the door tomorrow. Notice we'll start off with some storms, temps in the low 70s, getting back up into the mid 70s. Then once the front moves through, we'll go from 75 at 4 p.m. Then by 8, almost 10 degrees cooler with clearing into the late evening hours. So putting a picture to this, looking at the future radar, by 8 a.m. there's our line of strong storms moving through, maybe some light to moderate showers in the Savannah area before that, and then any sort of lunch plans in Savannah. You may need to wait till 1, 2, maybe 3 o'clock in the afternoon because these storms will move through. Now it's going to move through the area pretty fast, and then we'll see some clearing toward the afternoon hours. This one model depicts a few showers sticking around toward 2 and 3 o'clock. I'm a little bit skeptical on this. I think most of the rain should clear out at the latest by around 1 p.m. or so. Then once the front moves through, temps will drop and we should clear out. Notice the high temperature trend from 78 degrees on Wednesday dropping all the way back down, 10 degrees cooler on Thursday, and that trend will stick around. We'll have a northerly flow, which means winds will come in from the north, which will keep us a little bit cooler than where we should be. Our normal high is 75, so notice we're about 5 degrees cooler than that into the start of the weekend. Then we should warm things back up come your Sunday. Tonight, cloudy, low around 68 in Savannah. Warmer winds will be out of the south. Gusty at times tomorrow as well, between 25 and 35 miles per hour when you are in those storms that will move through. Afternoon sunshine could be possible with that front moving through. Like I mentioned, cooler temperatures. So looking at the 7-day forecast, highs will just get up into the upper 60s, lows returning toward the mid 40s, but getting closer to the eclipse. Notice temps back up near 80 with sunshine sticking around.